Ever wondered if holding in a sneeze could hurt you? Well, brace yourself for a shocking revelation. When you sneeze, air rockets out of your body at an impressive 100 miles per hour. Imagine all that force trapped. It could potentially cause minor injuries. Ruptured blood vessels in the eyes, damaged blood vessels in the brain, even a ruptured eardrum. Sounds scary, right? But don't fret, these are extremely rare occurrences. Most often you'll just experience discomfort, or a feeling of pressure. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. But remember, always into a tissue or your elbow. Here's to healthy sneezing. Loop back for more intriguing facts and debunked myths. Stay curious, stay informed.